Hi, it's Nev again, and in this video we're going to add a vLookup so we can look up the price of a great ball or whatever else is in this drop down. So we're going to type equals vLookup tab. Now the lookup value is right here. We want to look up the price for a great ball. I need a comma. And I'm now looking for the table array. That's back here in my other sheet. And it's really this price column here. So I'm going to highlight all of the cells down to there. I'm really highlighting A4 down to E22. If I put the comma in, then my purchases sheet should show it. Now, I just have to get rid of that purchases. It shouldn't be there. But you can see that I'm looking at the price list sheet, not the current sheet. And I'm looking for any values within A4 to E22. Right, the next thing I want is the index number. I don't really remember what that is, so I'm just going to put in 2 for the moment. What happened then? I think I touched the screen. I'm just going to put in 2, saying it's the second column across. The next thing is whether we want an absolute match or not. I think we do want an absolute match, so I'm going to put in false. Now, even without the closing bracket, I think I can just put enter and in goes a value. Oh, look, it's put in the barcode number 666222. So let's go back and just check on what this column number is. If we're here, where this is actually called column 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. We want column 5. So let's go back here, change this to column 5, backspace 5, enter. And we've got $600 for a Pokeball. Let's just check that if we change this potion, yes, the unit cost changes. Okay, so that's working. Now, before I copy this down, I've got to be careful. If I were to copy it down now, look what happens, errors. Because instead of my references here being absolute, as they were in the drop down, they are relative. So I'm going to have to make them absolute. Because I'm going to copy these across to the right as well, I'm going to make the columns and the rows absolute. So column A and row 4 are both now absolute. And now I'm going to go to column E and row 22, both absolute because of the $sign. Enter. Now I'm going to copy down. Oh, I beg your pardon. All right, let's just go here, and we have got a great ball. All right, so we will get NA whenever there is nothing here. So I'm going to add one more factor to my formula. I'm going to write here if. We haven't talked about if statements. Equals if error tab. It's put this in brackets. Now, if that works out to be an error, then I'm going to comma, put in a blank space. Close my brackets, enter. All right, now when I copy down, I've got blank spaces for when it's not working. But when I do choose something, it works fine.